Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to customize time of warning on your parking mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's choose here the car icon. As you can see, if you swipe to the left a few times, you will see the settings with the car. Let's tap here the first tab, which is assistance, and let's select here parking. From parking, let's scroll down again to select the time of warning. Let me tap it. And as you can see, you can enable or disable the side warning by using this toggle. You can also use the front warning, and you can use it by using early warning or standard. In my case, let me use standard. So you can customize this time of warning to your needs. All you need to do is just use one of the following toggles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.